Hello guys, this is Watson and this is where I show you how to make money. So basically today I'm going to talk about sproutgig and how you can make money on sproutgig. So I'm going to talk about three things that you can do on sproutgig and then earn money. So I'm going to take them one by one and then explain them afterwards. Then we'll move to the practical side. That is, we will move to the laptop and then I will show you how to do this. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is by completing a task. There are a variety of tasks available on Sproutgig, such as writing articles, transcribing audios, data entries, and social media marketing. The amount you earn per task will vary depending on the difficulty of the task and skill required. So you earn based on the difficulty of the task and then the skill required of the task. This is fair. You can even earn about $5 to $10 depending on the difficulty of the task. So the second thing I'm going to talk about is their reference program. So basically, you can also earn from Sproutgig by referring people to join their program. You can earn a commission for each person you refer to Sproutgig who complete a task. The commission rate is 10% of the earning of the person you refer. So when you refer someone to join the program, Sproutgig is going to give you 10% of the person earning as a reward for you referring the person to join the program. So the third and then the last thing I'm going to talk about is their affiliate program. So you can also use the affiliate program to earn money. You can also earn money by promoting Sprout Gigs through your own website or social media channels. If someone click on your affiliate link and completes a task, you will earn a commission. The commission rate is 5% of the person's earning. So when someone click the link that you have shared onto your social media handles, it can be TikTok, it can be WhatsApp, it can be Facebook, anywhere. When the person click and then complete the task, you are going to get 5% of the person earning by or for you referring the person to Sproutgig. This is also fair. So there are some additional tips that I want to talk about. So first of all, you have to be selective when you are taking a task. You don't just have to click on any task that you see. You have to click on tasks that you are interested in completing and then also you are qualified for. Secondly, you have to be doing good work. You have to do good work. When you do good work, Sproutgig will invite you to take on some additional tasks. And then also you have to be patient. So these are the additional things that I just want to mention, and then we'll move on to our laptop screen. And then also, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and then also share, because I have a lot for you that you can't afford to miss. So let's quickly switch the laptop screen. So in order to start making money from Sproutgig, the first step you need to take is you have to sign up for an account. So when you just launch your browser, go to the search bar and then type Sproutgig. So when you search for it, what appears first, just tap on that. So I'm just going to tap on this. You can also tap on my reference link below to register for Sproutgig account for free. So if you haven't created an account before, or this is your first time of logging onto Sproutgig website, you need to create an account. But if you have already created an account or you are an account holder, you just have to log in. So I'm just going to take you through how to create an account. But I have already created an account, so I'm not going to create an account again, but I'm just going to take you through how to create the account. So let's just go to sign up. So when you come to sign up, you have to enter your credentials. That is, you have to enter your Gmail, your name, your nickname, your password, and you confirm your password. And then also you have to tell them the country where you are from, and then also whether you want to register for a worker or an employer. So for if you want to make money from the site, I will advise you to go in as a worker. So after that, you agree to their terms and condition below. So you just agree to their terms and condition and then you tap on sign up. So now let's log into my account. So I'm just going to log into my account. I have already created an account. So I'm going to log in and I'm going to show you how to make money from that. So when you log into the website, this is the interface. So you can either take a micro job, you can take a survey, or you can also do an affiliate marketing in order to make money from it. So Basically, Sprout Gig allow people to upload their gigs. As you can see, there are a lot of gigs here. So there are a lot of gigs here where they are requesting people to contact them for a beautiful job. So you can also post your gig here, or you can request for a gig here, but we are not interested in that. We are interested in how to make money. So it depends on your country in which you are from. You can either take a micro job or you can also take a survey. So I'm just going to show you how to take the micro job and then also how to take the survey. I am in Ghana, and then I don't think, or I'm not sure we are qualified for the micro job, so they don't allow us to work for the micro job. But if you are from a place like Nigeria, you can work for the micro jobs or the gigs. So when you just tap on macro jobs, yeah, this is macro jobs. So when you tap on macro jobs, you if you are permitted to take micro job, what you just see is you will see take on job here. Then you tap on that and then you go forward to do your macro job. But so far as I'm not permitted to do macro job, I'm going to show you how to do a survey and then in. So you just tap on survey. So there are a lot of companies here that are looking for people to take on surveys. So I'm just going to choose one of the companies and then try taking a survey so that you also know how to do it, or you can also follow the same step in order to make money from Sprout. So let me just take pole fish. So when you come here, okay, there is no reward here, but as you can see, and there are some jobs here that you can uh, do. But let me say, let's choose a different let's choose a different company. So let me go for this AD company, Gate this media. So when you come to AD Gate, there are a lot of jobs here that you can do. You can take a financial survey. You can grab a point. You free site to reward. So you can do all these jobs to make money, and then you can also do it from phone, or you can do it on your laptop or your computer. So I'm just going to take a financial survey. So when you tap on financial survey, the next thing is to complete a survey. So in completing the survey, you have to just tap in plus one. That means $0.1. But it depends on the job. There are some jobs that pays up to $10, $20, depending on the difficulty and then the skill required in doing the job. But this one is just for tutorial purpose, so I'm not just going to go into that. I'm just showing you how to do that. So as you can see here, there are a lot of people that have taken these jobs. It is true. Top, try this. So there are a lot of people that have taken this job and then they are commenting on the jobs. So you can also come here, take the job. I have done it before and then I have withdraw. So you can also do same in order to make money from Sprout. So I am a guy, so I'm just going to choose man. So we are taking a survey like that. How old are you? I'm going to take 18 to 29. Are you employed? So I am self-employed. I am unemployed. I am a prisoner. So I'm just going to take this. So how much do you earn? And I'm going to take this less than $100 and then go on a family holiday, buy. So I'm just going to buy an apartment, and then I'm going to take this. So as you can see, I have completed the survey. So thank you. Your test results, 22 out of 35. You are a courageous person. The luck is on your side. Don't miss your chance to get wealthier and surround yourself with luxury. In 40 seconds, you will be redirected to the best, most profitable for you offer. Click the get offer button to go to the best offer. So you just tap on this and then they'll redirect you to the offer. Yeah. So as you can see, they have redirected me to here. That is Olympic or Olympic trade. So as you can see, you can come here then make a deposit. um so you can also make trade here. So they have redirected us to their Olympic trade site. So you can work here in order to make money from it. So you can either go for top or down. So as you can see, so when the currency go top, then as you can see, your forex cast was correct. So profit. So as you can see, what you just need to do is you enter your Gmail and then your password in order to log on here. So I'm just going to log on here. So I think you can even do this. So for me showing you this, you can follow the same procedure to do this. So let's go back to the site and then I'll also show you how to refer and then in. So you can also refer people to a Sproutgig website in order to make money from it. So when you refer someone to the Sproutgig website, you will be given 5% of any income that the person makes. So you'll be giving 5% of any income. So as you can see, refer a friend. So you can refer your friend to join the site, and you'll be giving 5% of any income that the person make from this website. So when you just tap on refer a friend, what you need to do is you have to copy the link. So this is your reference link. So just copy the reference link. As you can see, users in your downline. So I haven't referred anybody before. That is why I'm still having zero. You get paid from each deposit tax. So if the person deposit, you get money from it. Or even if the person take a tax and then they pay him, you also get a commission of 5% from it. So this is how you can earn from Sproutgig. So I will also be doing a video on how to do affiliate marketing with Sproutgig. You can earn a lot from affiliate marketing with Sproutgig. So I wanted to add that video to this, but if I want to do that, it will be too long, which I don't want to. So just be expecting it. It is going to be classic. But if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and then share. So I just want to know, how do you make money from the internet? Please leave the comment in the comment section. I will come here and then reply to everyone's message. And then also, if you have additional question that you want to ask, you can leave your comment in the comment section. I will come here